Okay, at this stage we're going to upload some contacts from a file on our computer using the Select Files button. Before we do that, we're going to prepare some data to upload. So on this computer I've got Excel open. On the first row, this is our title row. This is optional but helpful. Got first name, last name and email address, and then underneath that I've got some test data that's fictional for this example. Now to save this data, I'm going to save as, and then from the file type select, I'm going to select CSV, comma separated values. Once I've saved that, and then go back to the system, click the Select Files button and navigate to the directory that I've just saved my file in. I click the Open button. At this point you see an upload progress meter. Once the upload is complete, you're given a similar view to the one that you would get from Excel. We've rotated the view 90 degrees to the left to enable us to put drop downs in. The system has intelligently mapped the first name to the first name field of the data that you've uploaded, the same for last name, and also the same for email address. Should the data field not be available from the generic fields that we have, you can select the Add New Field option, which we'll cover in another tutorial. So we're happy with first name, last name and email. We're now going to click the Submit button at the bottom right hand side to continue importing this data. You're then presented with the Import Results screen. This gives you a real-time update on the progress of your import. The real-time figures also relay information based on how many fields are new, how many fields are updated or merged, and how many fields are duplicates, e.g. records that are already in your database. That concludes this section on importing contacts.